Hello, we are the team 2 and now we are going to present our work. First of all, we are going to explain about our internal network that is composed with 5 departments that each one can receive 510 computers. We have made those departments with this size because we were thinking in the future, letting space for other computers to connect. As you can see in this picture, we created this type of topology because in any moment the router breaks and the package has other ways to arrive to the addressee. Then we made a work about what type of wire is better or the good and bad things that each one has. We made the work about 4 wireless. The first one is twisted pair, the second one coaxial, the third one optical fiber, and the last one is satellite one. For us, the most important are the twisted pair because it's the cheapest one, optical fiber because it's the fastest, and satellite one because it's the one that has a bigger range.
Well, now, in this section, I will explain what we have done to save the information about the Kenyan Association, because it has a lot of data to save. For this, we have created a database with its respective entities. We have used 8 entities, as we can see in this image. The association, projects, people, technology, departments, donations, payroll, and expenses. Each of them has several attributes that detail it. In order not to mix the data, each entity has an identifying attributes that cannot be repeated. For example, a person's ID. Relating all entities to each other, we complete the database.
Now, let's talk about operating system we have chosen. We made a comparison between Windows 10 and Ubuntu. So, when Ubuntu has one. This operating system, Ubuntu, is free and is more flexibility than Windows 10. Windows 10 is more easiest to use his graphic environment. So, taking account we will create a network in the future, we choose Ubuntu for his flexibility.
In this headline, I'm going to explain what the hardware section contains, among them its components. First one, we have the CPU. In there, we have sometimes like with only core, dual core, and 4 cores. The second one, we have the electrical power supply with external voltage and internal voltage. The third one is the refrigeration and can be from air, liquid, liquid metal, bi-phase change, cryogenation, and thermoelectric. Then the structure that can be reusable, extensible, encapsulated, independent, and no specific context. Then they are battery, chipset, expansion slot of type AGP, PCI, and PCIe. Next are buses, microprocessor, memory, which are of these types: RAM, ROM, PROM, SRAM, swap, and flash. After that, the interface, peripherals, storage peripherals, and video system, including the graphic cards and the screen. Thank you for listening and hoping that it pleases you.